Vegetable jungle. Did you know food scientists group vegetables based on where the vegetable grows on the plant? Did you know that carrots are roots? Turnips and potatoes are roots too. The roots of all plants grow underground and store food to be used as energy. Asparagus and celery are stems of plants. The stems are the long, skinny parts of the plant that spurt up from the ground. Stems move the plant's food from one part to another. For example, stems move food from leaves to roots. We eat the leaves of plants all the time. Like stems, leaves grow above the ground. The green leaves are the food factories using energy from the sun to make food for the plant. Some vegetables are the fruits or flowers of the plant. Fruits grow above ground and hold the plant's seeds. Cucumbers and tomatoes are both vegetables that are fruits of plants. There are even vegetables that have tasty flowers. When you eat cauliflower and broccoli, you're actually eating tiny flowers. That's pretty cool.